Let's start this off right.
You win, Mom. You win. Touché!
Jeez, I look horrible. It's been a rough weekend, let me tell you.
Are you filming me coming out of the closet? Because you can't. There's no closet in this room.
So you're not coming out of the closet?
No, I'm gonna stay in there.
Thank heavens. No Bud Light for you.
No tranny fluid.
Hon!
That's not possible.
Thank you.
We can't start it off right, Ian. We already started and it was all wrong.
So, what week is it?
Week 5.
Week 5.
Day 10. And away we go.
It's a long weekend. Got here.
High production long weekend.
High production long weekend. Got here late last night. So I kind of got things set up a little bit last night, and then we went and did our good deed for the day and tried to rescue a truck that was stranded up on Steamboat. We didn't have any luck there, but we gave him some good information and had a good time and killed some time and got back here late and had a couple of drinks, and we're starting off this morning. We're gonna have some help this morning. Apparently we got some more people coming.
We did a lot of pre-planning last night, actually.
Pre-planning.
We actually looked over our drafts and our paperwork to make sure we had a really good idea of what we were going to try and accomplish and how today, which is a lot more than what we've normally done, so it should be actually productive.
We had a meeting with the engineer.
Yeah, I wore that hat.
So we're going to start today by standing, I guess we'll stand the 2 long walls, and we're going to break the end walls into 3 sections, and we'll take it from there. So we're going to do a mad shuffle here and get some things sorted, moved, and shift around, and then we'll bring you back and get on her.
Chapiota.
That's a wrap. Day 5 or week 5, day 1.
Week 5, day 10.
Day 1 of week 5 though. What do you figure?
Super productive as per usual. I really like to see what it would look like if we weren't productive, because we seem to just stay productive. That's basically 2.5 walls standing. All the major walls, the bigger walls are done, so I'd say like by the end of the day tomorrow we'll probably have the loft in place and the rest of the walls. So, which then means we're done until we get the ridge beam. Got to get on them hearts.
See you in the morning.
You hear that, hearts, Adam?
By this point in time,
We'll have the ridge beam.
late to bed, early to rise. I haven't even finished my hot chocolate yet this morning. Haven't even smoked a joint yet this morning. This guy's already got the saw fired up.
Closet in this room.
So you're not coming out of the closet.
No, I'm gonna stay in there.
Thank heavens. No Bud Light for you.
No training fluid.
There you go. Give you an overview. That'll be a window. That's a future tentative window maybe. Future tentative window maybe. Another window back there. We didn't leave ourselves enough room for us, me, my fat old guy, and these other young bucks to get back there and sheet that. That's another window. That'll be a bedroom. There's a bathroom here somewhere. We'll work on that after we deal with some triangle pieces up top. So far so good, I think.
Should have been bigger. Love my mom, but I guess I should stop questioning her fucking memory, because it seems to be spot on. 38 by 38, the shower. You win, Mom. You win. Touché! I know. I knew I'm recording. It's my turn to have some fun.
Well, that's a wrap. Week, I don't know, 5 day, who knows. We're about to get thunderstormed and rained out, so I'm gonna do my best to give you the outro, show you what I showed you. We'll go have a chat with Taryn, the engineer, here in a minute, but not bad for a weekend, eh, two old guys? Get her done, hammer down. Next time you see us, hopefully we'll have our beam. We'll be setting our beam. Set our beam across here. She's a 40-footer, and then she's roof time. They ain't lifting our fire bans, but it rains every second day. Tell me that something ain't awry in the world. Anyhow, that's a wrap. I walked around a couple times. Week 5.
Week 5. A lot accomplished.
Farther than where you expected?
No, right around where I thought I'd be, actually, where we'd be. I mean, it was a long weekend. It's 2 full days of labor instead of 1. So it gets us like really 2.5, 3 days, 3. So, yeah.
We just finished up supper. Apparently we are going to drive home in a thunderstorm. The lightning's just giving her thunder and more rain. So we're off for a couple weeks waiting for ridge beam, and then we'll be back to do the roof and get her buttoned up. I think that's ahead of schedule.
Yeah.
Provided that we get the ridge beam in a couple of weeks.
Yeah. And the tin.
And the tin. Anyhow, we're gonna enjoy a drink. We're done. We're cooked. We're out. See you in the next one. What was that, Polar Dog? What was that? Was that a Thunder Boomers?
Watch us get a beam of fucking